So in front of me I have INFINIX Smart 6 HD smartphone, and in this video we're going to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, you want to launch the Google Play Store. At the search bar of your Play Store, simply type in Opera, just like so. Once the needed app is found, click on the green install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can go ahead and launch the app as well as set it up. So in here you want to tap on this blue continue button. Next, there are some options that you can either enable from the start or skip and leave the configuration process for those features for later. I'll personally enable ad blocking, enable checker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. Lastly, you are able to either customize the permissions and accesses there that you are going to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that it needs, which I'll do myself. And that will be it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.